Hey, I'm Dr. Ashen. Today I'm going to talk about Chewies. They're a tool you can use in your clear aligner treatment. So they look like this, and they're actually used for you to bite on once you have your clear aligners in, and they help push your clear aligner tray more into your teeth so it's seated better and you get more tooth movement. So it's something super simple, and it just makes sure that you are getting full movement in your trays. Hope that helps. Looking forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.